Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you just a quick video on how to shut off the auto start on your vehicle. So let's go ahead and get started. Now what I'm talking about when I refer to the auto start, I'm talking about the factory installed auto start, not the ones that you can put in the aftermarket because those are set up different. But the ones that I'm talking about is if you have a vehicle, like for example we have this General Motors vehicle here, and it has the automatic open and close door here on this little remote. If you double click the close, that will then fire up the auto start. That'll start your vehicle up. For example, like if it's winter time or whatever and you want to let your car run and warm up, you can use it to start that way, or you can have another button on your little controller as well. That's what I'm talking about, the factory installed. But let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. So if I click this twice, one time you hear it lock and then you hear the horn go. If you hit it twice, you hear the engine starts up, and that'll usually run for a little bit of time if you have the heat on, whatever. And then to turn that off, what you do is you get into the vehicle, and if you push the brake down, then that will shut it off at that point. But what I'm talking about is if you want to shut that off, because sometimes these can be annoying. I know at least with my vehicle, sometimes if you go to lock the door, and then what happens if you hit it too many times, it'll start it. So I'm going to show you how you can shut it off and disengage it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come on the driver's side, and if you go underneath the dash, there will be a little toggle switch and you can shut it off and on at that point. So I'm going to get the camera in here close and show you what we're looking at. You can see right up here, there we go, that toggle switch right here, and you can see the red is on and black is off. So here's the toggle switch. So right now it's on. If you click it the other direction, you'll shut it off. So you can decide what you want to do with that. But if we shut it off, I'm going to show you now when we double click it, the car will not do the auto start. So with the door closed, we're going to go ahead. You hear that engage the locks. Now you have the horn. If we hit it twice, nothing. So now we have the auto start shut off. And like I said, if you want it off, that's how you would do it. You just go underneath, flip the toggle switch to the off position. And then if you want it back on, let's head back underneath. We'll switch it on and I'll show you again. Okay, so we'll come here and now pull it towards the red section. All right, so we went ahead and switched it on. So now when I go ahead and do it, you'll hear it come on now. Hear that? Double it. There you go. So very, very simple. Toggle switch under the dash, and you can toggle it on and off depending on what your preference is. Like I said, these come in handy if you're in like a colder climate state or a state that has winters, and maybe you want to go ahead and get it started so that way you have the heat on. But sometimes they can be annoying. I've had it sometimes where you go to lock the door, you hit it twice by accident, it starts, you got to open it and put your foot on the brake to kill it and all that stuff, so it can be a little bit annoying. So you decide what you want to do, but I just wanted to take a few minutes and make this quick video showing you how you can turn it off and on. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.